When Maddie mentioned using peel away or paint stripper to strip the paint off one of the mantles, my first reaction was absolutely not. I flat out forbid it. With so many unfinished projects already scattered around, why would we add another one to the list? But here's the twist. Maddie didn't just ignore my advice, she went ahead anyway. And what happened next was unexpected, to say the least. Our to-do list is a little ambitious. Projects just keep piling up faster than we can tackle them. There are vintage light fixtures waiting to shine again, furniture begging to be restored, walls in need of plastering, and let's not forget the staircase or the floors. We had grand plans to repaint the entablature and porch ceiling last fall, but then winter rolled around, putting that project on hold. As for the staircase, progress has been slow. It took ages to get some of the parts we needed, and then there are still some more parts that have to be recreated. So, in the meantime, we're juggling other projects, but trust me, it's a delicate dance.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night.
So, while Maddie was secretly working on the Mantle thousands of miles away, Sissy and I were in Sierra Madre, California at the Wistaria Festival. Nestled in the foothills of the San Gabriel Mountains, Sierra Madre is a place steeped in history. Long before the Mount Wilson Trail was carved out in the 1770s, this region was home to the Tonga band of Native Americans who lived in harmony with the area's natural beauty. Today, Sierra Madre is celebrated for its annual Wistaria Festival, which attracts thousands of visitors from across Southern California. The festival is a showcase of arts, crafts, and delicious food, and booths where attendees can explore the rich history of Sierra Madre, from the many historic homes and buildings to efforts to preserve its unique environment and cultural history. But more on that later. Meanwhile, let's check in on Maddie. Sticking to our philosophy of starting with the gentlest approach, Maddie reached for Dawn Powerwash to see if it could tackle the paint removal. We'd already seen impressive results using it on the painted baseboards in the same bedroom, so Maddie thought it was worth trying before resorting to harsher chemical strippers. A standout attraction of the festival is the sprawling block-long car show. It's a paradise for automobile enthusiasts, showcasing everything from meticulously restored vintage cars to wild creations. Like this, a custom van outfitted with its very own tiki bar. Because, why not? From almost the moment Maddie began using the power wash, brushing it on, letting it sit briefly, and gently wiping it away, she uncovered a delightful surprise. Beneath the layers of dull brown paint was a stunning faux marble finish, complete with intricate gold pinstriping. But as she worked, Maddie realized that the process required a delicate touch. Leaving the product on too long or scrubbing too vigorously risked erasing parts of the elegant finish, and so she had to proceed with extra care and precision. The annual Wistaria Festival is a special occasion, the one day each year when the public can actually visit the breathtaking 500-foot-long wisteria vine. Originally planted in 1894 as a modest 1-gallon vine, purchased for just 75 cents, it has grown into a Guinness record holder. The festival usually aligns with the plant's peak bloom, but this year's celebration was delayed due to the Eaton fire in Altadena, which spread eastward and affected parts of Sierra Madre. While the vine isn't as abundant in blossoms this time, its beauty and sheer size remain awe-inspiring. It's a true sight to behold. And here it is, the final reveal. What do you think? Should we preserve this vintage patina and embrace the character it's gained over time? Or should we roll up our sleeves, master the faux marble painting technique, and restore the mantle to its original 1884 glory? Please, let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think.